Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing slime. So this is a slime that I love, I absolutely love. And I'm making, okay, so if you saw my last video, I'm wearing the same shirt. It's because I'm making the video like in the same day, but like not posting them on the same day. I'm going to be posting this one on a Monday. So remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. So let's just get in the video, Llama Crew. Okay, so I have this, it's my Easter slime. Has some foam beads and some slime in it. And you know that I never touched it because all the foam beads are on the top, so let's start taking it out. Okay, we're gonna split it real quick. So this slime has a lot of foam beads in it. We'll just mix it back into there. So I have more slimes, but if you want me to do a slime smoothie, just tell me and I will, because I'm willing to do that. So, yeah. This one I would give a 8 out of 10. It's just like, I hate the texture of it. It's like that clicky texture. And like, it's not really sticky, so all the foam beads will come out. So that's why I'm giving it 8 out of 10. So I have a blue slime of it. Never touched it. Like today, I've touched it before. This is smaller kind of slime because this is also a smoothie slime. I'll probably give this a 6 out of 10 because it's not really stretchy. It's not sticky. You can tell that's not sticky. I'm trying to, well, see, okay. I try to stick it into a thing really hard. Hold on. I'm trying to prove my point, and then, yeah. So if you stick it really far and pull it out, it don't stick. And so the foam beads will fall out. So that's why I'm wondering if you want me to make a new slime smoothie. I will probably in this video. So, yeah. So whenever you open the slime, it's my flamingo slime. It's really glossy and really stretchy. Well, not that stretchy whenever you start to play with it. So I'm giving it a 5 out of 10 because it's like jiggly. I don't like jiggly stuff. So whenever you force it in, don't even stick one bit. So I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 5. No, a 5 out of 10, I mean. This slime is my butter slime. To make this, you need magical clay, glue, yellow like nail polish, and detergent to make it. So, yeah. It's not sticky at all. Yeah. I'll probably give this a 3 out of 10 because it's like really hard. my least favorite slime, but I love to spread. Last but not least, we have this slime. This would probably get a 9 out of 10. None of my slimes are perfect, so I don't give them 10 out of 10s. So,
I think if you do that, it has.
this one's just a lot of shaving cream. 3 bottles of glue, no, 2 bottles of glue, a lot of shaving cream to make this beauty. I like to make bubbles upon bubbles to make them pop. Okay, so we're gonna start making a slime smoothie. So we're gonna take a little bit of this, about that much, and a little bit of this. I'm not gonna add all my slimes together. And just a little bit of this. I do not want to get this slime hard. Okay. So this is supposed to also make another Easter slime because I am in love with the Easter slimes right now.